Hi, my name's Levi. I'm here at the Van Dyck residence where we have some shingles that were approved on our scope. We're going to do a repair on this shingle right here, which was marked as being damaged. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. We're going to install that shingle. Looks like they're nailed in per manufacturer's recommendations. Looks like there's about 5 in the nail strike area of the existing shingle. Must be one more. Looks like there's a whole nother row. So as you can see, there was actually 3 rows of nails up there for the shingles that were above it. This is, let's see if they match. They do match. This is a current shingle that's in production. It's a different color, but for the purposes of this video, apply 5 nails to the nail strike area. So as you can see, the exposure is the same, the width was the same, not really any issues there. But what you do notice is right here across the top line of the shingle that was above it, I handled it fairly gently, did the best I could, but in order to get these nails in there, you can see what you have right here. This is delamination of the top shingle all the way across, and you have this creasing right here, which is the exact same damage that the shingle had on it before, that the insurance company determined was from wind damage. So the damage is the same, but this was caused by the attempted repair.